Ever wondered how a robot navigates a crowded street, or how surveillance systems predict where people will go? It's all about predicting pedestrian movement, a critical task for robotics, safety systems, and even smart cities. But here's the catch. Most current models focus only on how people interact with each other, like avoiding collisions or following groups. They ignore something just as important, the environment around them. Think about it. When you walk through a park, you don't just dodge other people. You steer around benches, stay on paths, and avoid walls. But traditional AI models, they'd happily send a robot through a tree or into a building. Why? Because they lack scene understanding, the ability to see and respect the physical world. That's where SceneAware steps in. This new framework doesn't just track where people are, it reads the environment. It uses a vision transformer, VT, like a superpowered image recognizer to analyze static scene photos. Think of it as teaching the AI to see sidewalks, walls, and obstacles the way we do. But here's the clever part. It pairs this with a multi-modal large language model, MLLM, to generate a walkability mask. This mask acts like a digital roadmap, marking where people can and can't go. During training, the model learns to avoid restricted areas, but here's the twist. This mask isn't needed at runtime. Once trained, SceneAware runs super efficiently, making it perfect for real-time systems like self-driving cars or security cameras. The magic happens in how it combines data. A transformer analyzes the pedestrian's past movements, while the VT decodes the scene. Together, they create predictions that respect both time, where someone is going, and space, what's in the way. Plus, it adds a collision penalty to nudge trajectories away from impossible paths, like a digital guardrail. And the results? SceneAware outperforms existing methods by over 50% on standard tests. It works whether people are walking straight, turning, or weaving through crowds. What's more, it doesn't need complex pre-processing, just a single scene image to unlock environmental clues. So why does this matter? Imagine a delivery drone avoiding power lines, or a hospital robot finding the shortest route without bumping into furniture. SceneAware isn't just smarter, it's more human-like, bridging the gap between abstract AI and the messy, beautiful world we live in. Next time you see a robot or a smart system in action, remember, it's not just about following people. It's about understanding the world they move through.